Imagine a scenario where the cure for cancer might be within your reach, hidden among the simple and affordable ingredients you already have in your kitchen. We're talking about foods, not expensive or complicated treatments. Common foods, easy to find in any market, can play a crucial role in preventing and even fighting cancer. Sounds surprising, doesn't it? But this is reality. The renowned Dr. Barbara O'Neill, an authority on the study of food effects on the human body, has dedicated years of research to understanding how certain foods can help in the fight against this dreaded disease. And today I will share with you the secrets behind 11 foods that could be your greatest allies in this silent battle. Now, have you ever stopped to reflect on the true power of food? It's not just about satisfying hunger or choosing what pleases your taste buds. Every food carries a unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds that directly interact with your body's cells, influencing your health in profound ways. And what if I told you that with simple choices on your plate, you could strengthen your body against cancer? It sounds revolutionary, but it's a reality accessible to all of us. Let's start with garlic, that seasoning that's always present in our daily meals. What few people know is that garlic is a real powerhouse when it comes to protecting the body. Rich in sulfur compounds, it acts directly in detoxifying the body and strengthening the immune system. But the most impressive thing is garlic's ability to interfere with the growth of cancer cells. Think about that for a moment. Something as everyday as garlic can be a powerful weapon against cancer, and with no effort. Just add more garlic to your diet to begin giving your body extra strength in this battle. We're not talking about something difficult to implement, but a simple change that can have a huge impact on your health. Another ingredient that deserves your attention is turmeric, or as many know it, ground saffron. This vibrant yellow powder, besides adding color and flavor to your recipes, hides incredible power. Curcumin, the main compound in turmeric, is one of the most studied substances for its anti-inflammatory properties. And why is this so relevant? Chronic inflammation in the body is fertile ground for the development of various diseases, including cancer. By incorporating turmeric into your diet regularly, you not only combat inflammation, but also strengthen your body's natural defenses. And there's more. A valuable tip is to combine turmeric with black pepper. This combination increases curcumin absorption, enhancing its effects in the body. Now you might be thinking, does this really work? How can such simple foods have so much power? And the answer is a resounding yes. Numerous scientific studies have already proven the benefits of certain foods in preventing and fighting cancer. And this brings us to the next item on our list, the famous green tea. You may have already heard that it's great for your health, but do you know why? Green tea is a real treasure trove when it comes to polyphenols, compounds with powerful antioxidant action. These antioxidants act like shields, protecting our cells from damage caused by dreaded free radicals, the villains behind cellular aging, and of course, the development of diseases like cancer. By adding a cup of green tea to your routine, you are, in a simple and effective way, shielding your body against these invisible damages. And when it comes to prevention, we can't overlook the famous cruciferous vegetables like broccoli. You may already know it's healthy, but what few people know is that broccoli is one of the most potent foods in the fight against cancer. It contains a compound called sulforaphane, which acts directly in detoxifying the body and neutralizing carcinogens. That's right, that simple plate of broccoli can be a powerful weapon in helping your body protect itself against cancer. And the best part? It's not complicated at all to include this superfood in your diet. Whether in salads, stir-fries, or even green juices, broccoli can easily become an ally of your health without requiring much effort. Now let's talk about the stars when it comes to antioxidants. Berries. Blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. All of these small fruits are true superfoods in the fight against cancer. They are rich in flavonoids, compounds that not only protect the body's cells, but also help repair existing cellular damage. Imagine this. By enjoying a handful of berries each day, you are giving your cells a true injection of strength to fight off carcinogens. Isn't it amazing to think that something so delicious can be so powerful? How about we talk about ginger? This versatile food goes far beyond its characteristic and refreshing flavor. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has properties that, according to studies, may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. And the best part is that it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. You can use it in teas, juices, as a seasoning for food, or even in soups. Every time you include ginger in your recipes, you are giving your body an extra defense, boosting the immune system, and helping to prevent cancer in a practical and tasty way. Flaxseed. Such a small grain, but with tremendous power. Inside this tiny seed is a real treasure trove of health benefits. Flaxseed is one of the richest sources of lignans, natural compounds that help balance hormones and protect the body against cancer, especially breast cancer. Additionally, it's rich in omega-3, a fatty acid with potent anti-inflammatory action. What does this mean? By adding a little flaxseed to your daily routine, whether in juices, smoothies, salads, or even main meals, you are giving your body extra defense. The best part is that you don't need large quantities to feel the effects. Small changes, made consistently, can have a huge impact on your well-being. Now let's talk about tomatoes. Such a common ingredient in our kitchens, but with power that often goes unnoticed. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to be effective in preventing prostate cancer. And here's a simple yet highly effective tip. Cooking tomatoes increases the concentration of lycopene, enhancing its benefits. So the next time you make homemade tomato sauce or roast tomatoes in the oven, know that you're enriching your diet with an extra dose of defense against cancer. Let's move on to nuts, these small, natural treasures. They are incredibly rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body, two crucial factors in cancer prevention. Studies show that consuming nuts regularly may be associated with a reduced risk of developing the disease. And the best part? They're super practical. A handful of nuts can be the perfect snack between meals, as well as being delicious and extremely healthy. And what about spinach? This dark green leaf, often underestimated, is a true source of carotenoids and antioxidants, which play a vital role in protecting against cellular damage. Regular consumption of spinach not only strengthens the immune system, but also creates an environment in the body that is less conducive to the development of cancer cells. Whether in fresh salads, juices, or hot dishes, spinach can easily be incorporated into your diet, significantly increasing your intake of essential nutrients. And last, but certainly not least, we have medicinal mushrooms, like shiitake and reishi. These mushrooms have been known for centuries in various cultures, not just for their flavor, but for their incredible health properties. They are a natural source of compounds that strengthen the immune system and, most impressively, can help slow down tumor growth. Incorporating these mushrooms into broths, soups, or even everyday dishes is a delicious and effective way to reap their numerous benefits. If you've made it this far, you're probably thinking, where do I start? The answer is easier than you think. Start slow, one step at a time. There's no need for radical changes. How about adding a little more garlic to your daily meals? Or preparing a cup of green tea in the afternoon? Try including broccoli in your lunch or dinner. Small gestures like these done consistently can turn into a powerful habit. And as you start incorporating these choices into your routine, you'll be embarking on a bigger and more meaningful journey, living a healthier, more balanced life with more vitality and protection. Now that you've discovered these 11 powerful foods that can transform your health and protect your body, it's time to act. Knowledge without action doesn't create change. Every decision you make today can be the difference between a life full of energy and well-being or a struggle against diseases in the future. Your body is your temple, and it deserves this care. And the best part? You have the power to start this transformation right now, simply by adjusting what you put on your plate. If this content was valuable to you, think about how many other people also need to hear this. Imagine how many lives can be touched by this information. That's why I invite you to be part of this mission to spread health and well-being. Subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. And of course, share this knowledge with the people you love. Together, we can create a wave of health, helping more and more people take control of their lives through food and conscious choices. A simple click, a subscription, can be the start of a change that goes far beyond you. Let's walk this path together towards a healthier life full of possibilities.